Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time tuning in, thank you so much for tuning in today. I'm so glad you're here. Yeah, guys, wait. I know it has been long. To be honest, I have missed you guys. I have missed standing in front of the camera or more. It's been a long time. Thank you to everyone that has took their time to check up on me and asking who have not been posting. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'm very grateful. It has been a lot, guys. This life, it has been a roller coaster. All right, life is just like filming up. That is why you've not been seeing me. But now, at least, I should be dropping 2 videos in a month now, I guess. All right. So today's video will be like a very quick one. Yeah. For those of you who have been asking me for flusher, today's your day, guys. Today is your lucky day. I'm going to be dropping the recipe and telling you how to use, how to DIY herbal remedy for flusher. All right, for body flusher. If you have any kind of infection you want to flush out of your body, when you use this remedy, your homemade remedy, trust me, you're going to be okay. All right. And later, if you are not feeling comfortable with yourself, you can also visit your physician or your doctor. All right. So today's recipe is infection flusher. All right, body flusher. This one will promote your immune system, wash out all the dirt in your body, and also flush out infection from your body, all this mind infection. All right, so if this is what you're interested in, definitely keep on watching and let me know in the comment section if you already know this recipe, or you've used one of the recipe I'm about to drop. All right, one of the ingredients, or whatever you feel about this video, just let me know in the comment section. So the first ingredient you're going to be needing is, I can be going back and forth just to bring out the ingredient, because right now I'm standing in front of the camera. I'm here to buy a chair that will be up to this level in this corner of my shop. So the first ingredient you're going to be needing is iodine. All right, this thing I'm holding right here is iodine. You guys, I don't know what the English name is, all right, but I'm going to be writing the botanical name of this on the screen so that you can know what to get and know what to use. All right, this is iodine. All right, they call it iodine onigumeri in Yoruba. You need one of these if you are doing it at home yourself, just a small quantity. All right, the second ingredient you need is this. All right, you need this is called glove in English. All right, this is called glove in English. I will write the name in Yoruba on the screen for you to see. If you can see it already, I'm sweating right now. There's no light to So the third ingredient you're going to be needing for this remedy is eru. This is called eru in Yoruba. All right, so I will also write the botanical name on the screen so that you know what you are getting in the market if you are not Yoruba. All right, this is called eru. And the fourth ingredient you're going to be needing is actually ginger. All right, you just need small quantity of ginger, maybe 2 or 3 pieces, with 4 to 5 eru. All right, because eru can be bitter. And I don't, let me tell you this for free, eru can be bitter, and I don't. So as you can see, this is the fifth ingredient you are going to be needing. Okay, this is called bagaruwa boni seed. All right, boni seed. You can convert what I wrote on the screen to your language so that you know what you are looking for to buy. All right, it's just, you just need just small portion. All right, you just need small portion like this. All right, okay, for this bagarua or bunny. So if you want to buy these ingredients, I sell it. Just reach out to me on the number you will be seeing right at the corner here or here of the screen. You'll get it with chicken money. All right, so the last ingredient you're going to be needing for this remedy is ajumbizi. As you can see, this is it. This is what it looks like. All right, so this is what it looks like. Ajumbizi, you only need one. All right, I just showed you 2 because I have it. You can also get it from me if you need it. I'm so are the things you need to combine together, the ingredients you need to combine together for infection flusher. That's your home remedy. All right, so what you do with it is, first of all, gather all the ingredients together, wash it thoroughly, and make sure it is clean, because it is what you'll be taking. All right, you'll be drinking it, so you have to be clean with it. Good hygiene matters when you are making home remedy, herbs, and all of that. Boo ha ha. All right, so what you need to do, like I said, you gather all the ingredients together, you wash it thoroughly till it is clean, till you have the clean version. As a woman or man, when you're cleaning something, when something is clean, when your gut is telling you this thing is clean already. All right, so you gather it together, you clean it and make it fresh. Gather it into a pot, a cooking pot, and also pour in some water, then cook it. You know what I mean? Cook it till it boils. All right, to mama ho, to mama ho, to mama sokutugo, like that, on the fire, on your gas, on whatever source of fire you're using, or whatever source of cooking you want to make use of, whether wood, whether stove, whether gas cooker. All right, you have to put it on fire till it keeps boiling, maybe for 20-30. It depends on the volume you are making at home. Then after that, you now remove it from fire. All right, but don't put it on the ground though, don't put it on the floor. Make sure you put it on the surface so that it won't go flat. And whenever you want to drink it, you just get a shinap cup. All right, shinap cup. When you buy shinap, there's one particular cup that comes with it. That is the measurement you'll be drinking. All right, one in the morning and one in the night. Shinap cup, that's the measurement of these herbs. All right, whether you are a man or a woman, it will actually help you a lot. It will detoxify your body, cleanse your body, flush out all the the dirt, and flush out infection. All right, so yeah, so guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you really enjoyed this video and like what you see and like what you hear, please like this video, share this video, and also leave a comment for me in the comment section. Guys, I miss you. And in case you want to buy herbs, I'm sweating. No, like, if you like this video, please like this video, share this video to people that you think might need it. All right, because a lot of my subscribers has actually reached out to me on WhatsApp asking of infection flusher, and that is the reason why I brought this to you this time around, so that you can make it at home. It also flush out dirt. It is not only infection, it detoxify, cleans your system, boosts your immune, and yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share this video, like I said earlier. And also, we sell apps, all right, for men, women, you know what I mean. Just reach out to me on the number you'll be seeing right on the corner, whether left or right. I got you. So peace. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.